Okay, so I couldn't figure out why this is not up here. So I'm going to try to figure that out now. I'll go back here and I'll go to my stash, see if I can figure out from this why that happened. Okay, so there's a fill opacity. That's cool. Input highlight, input page, blah, 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 rectangle. So I'm looking for something that has something to do with positioning, position. So this says highlight layer. Whoa. Ah, man. I keep forgetting the movement keys are different in Magit. Okay, so highlight layer has SVG style position absolute. Do I have to do style? Maybe that's what I have to do. Okay, so let me go try that. SVG. Whoops. Style. I thought this thing here, oh no, this is a list of attributes. Yeah, okay. So then the style attribute has, or not a list, a map of attributes. And then the style attribute takes another map, which is a bunch of CSS stuff. So let me go back here, refresh. Did that do it? Okay. That's interesting. So that's over there now. I think position. I think I want this to say style also. I also want that's a little further off the page now. I also want, what else do I want? I don't know. I want this rectangle to show up way over here. And I'm not sure how to do that. I had it showing up that way in the code that I abandoned. Stash. So SVG style top left. Oh, not XY, top left. Okay, let me try that. Oh, it's right here. Top left. I'm so used to when I want to jump through code, I just search for the thing that I'm looking for. Oh, I can make the window a little bit wider since I have all of this extra space. I'll do 86. It grew to the right. I meant for it to grow in the opposite direction. Like the right edge to stay where it is and the left edge to go further to the left. Whatever. That's fine. I don't know why I have to keep reloading. That would be interesting to find out. Oh, okay, cool. So now it's over here. Okay, cool. I think that was the thing that I was trying to think of earlier. Like, why do I have to keep refreshing this page even though I'm using React and Reagent and Shadow CLJS, and shouldn't that all be taken care of? I'm not exactly sure. Okay, so I got the thing that I wanted. It's now displaying in the upper left. Let's commit that, and should that, what was the last one? Made the SVG highlight draw at all. Okay, cool. And now this one will be make SVG highlight draw in upper left corner of PDF. So it's actually, well, it's not actually covering the text of the PDF, but like in theory, I think it could. Yeah, let's try to do that. Let's try to make it actually cover some of the text. So I'll abandon that commit, and let's see. So 0. I think there's like an edge right here. I think there's maybe some padding in the surrounding element right here. So I think this is 0, and then this is 10. It's like 10 from some imaginary line that would be like right there. What is the next one? 40. So this must be 40, and then this is 90. So like it's very easy for me to tell that this is smaller than this. Like the different size, like the size of this, the size of this, the size of this. I can tell which one, like what order they are all in, and that's why I use these sizes here, 0, 10, 40, 90. Also because square numbers and Space Odyssey 1, 4, 9. Yeah. All right, so let's try making this overlap the text. The rectangle should overlap the text. Instead of 40, I'll make it 80 and refresh. And it overlaps the text, and the text is still showing, so it is a proper highlight. So that's great. So I'll just change this to a 90 and this to a 40. Oh, is that actually going to not overlap? Oh, it does. Okay, cool. All right, cool. I'll save that. And make that be the commit. Let's see. Is that? Yeah, okay, cool. Make rectangle highlight cover text of PDF a little bit. Okay, and then that will be 768EA22. And I'll be sure that that is up on the remote. I think that's a good place to stop the video.